I think I'm doing great in this type of job, and that gives me the enjoyment. My name is Aijhalon Auxtero. I am 5 years in the solar industry because I'm happy doing this. I think I'm doing great in this type of job. That's why I put my heart in doing. I thought it was so very hard, but for so long I've been adapting and then enjoying doing solar installation, and that gives me the enjoyment doing this job. That's why right now I'm so happy and I'm grateful for this chance to win in Sungrow competition. Sungrow is very user-friendly, and the technical or the services, they are very accommodating. I like the looks. It's very minimal, and then also on how you install it, it's very easy. And so that's why installer friendly.
The options are that it works like an expectation. And I can see that both others have been very dedicated to this technology. Even I can see some of the aircrafts that is red on forehead.
This competition is very meaningful to us installer because we show our skills in installing Sungrow, and then we show it to a lot of installer. We are very happy because Sungrow is #1 in the world, #1 brand. That's why being here is, like a win. Sungrow #1.